Hey guys, today we will be installing an Evotech-Performance frame slider, front and rear spindle bobbins to my Kawasaki z650. I bought this set for around 12,000 pesos including shipping fee. So, without further ado, let me introduce you the parts and tools that we will be using in this video. So first off in our list is the frame slider. The shorter one is for the right side of the motorcycle. The taller one is for the left side of the motorcycle. Our rear bolt, the rear spindle bobbins, the front bolt, the front spindle bobbins, two 13 mm sockets, 8 mm hex wrench, some wrench for the socket, cotton buds for cleaning the axle of the motorcycle, and last but not the least, a weighing scale. For those who are weight freaks out there, let me try to put all these items on a paper bag and measure the total weight of the parts that we will be installing. The total weight is approximately 1.6 kilograms. Now let's proceed by cleaning first the axle. On the rear, the shorter one should be on the right side. And the taller one should be on the left side.